bicep tendon jerk. The root value of this bicep tendon jerk is C5 and C6. That is the cervical spinal segment 5 and 6. The afferent and efferent nerve is musculocutaneous nerve. Okay. Stand on the right side of the subject. Expose the biceps muscle fully and ask the subject to relax completely. Feel the bicep tendon. Feel the bicep tendon by the thumb, by your thumb, and press the thumb firmly so that the bicep muscle is become taut. Now tap by a single sudden sharp blow by the swinging movement of your wrist on your thumb. And what is the response? Response is contraction of bicep muscle followed by flexion of elbow joint. Okay. This can be elicited both in sitting position or in supine position. This jerk is diminished in case of lower motor neuron lesion. Jerk is exaggerated or increased in upper motor neuron lesion. Okay. Now I will show you the bicep tendon jerk in sitting position. Mr. Luthi, please sit here. Now relax. Now hold this muscle. Elbow is flexed at 90 degree. Okay. Elbow is flexed at 90 degree. Relax. Now feel the bicep muscle by your tendon. Okay. Now by this patellar hammer, give a single sudden sharp blow. Press your thumb firmly on the bicep tendon. Okay, see, contraction of the bicep followed by flexion of the elbow joint. Now on this side, hold the hand like this. Flexion of the elbow joint at 90 degree. Support the forearm of the subject. Rest on your forearm. Now press the thumb on the bicep tendon firmly. Okay. Now give a single sudden sharp blow by the swinging movement of your wrist. Okay. This is the contraction of the bicep followed by flexion. Okay. See it. Now please see here. This is the bicep jerk. Again tricep tendon jerk. Before going to tricep tendon jerk, rather I discuss about brachioradialis. Brachioradialis tendon jerk, also known as supinator jerk. What is the root value? The center, indicating center or the root value? It is about C5 and C6. That is the cervical spinal segment 5 and 6. What is the afferent and efferent nerve? Afferent and efferent nerve. It is the radial nerve. Okay. Radial nerve. Okay. Stand on the right side of the subject. Feel the brachioradialis muscle. Fully expose the forearm. Hold the arm in semi-pronated position. This is supination, this is pronation. Hold the arm semi-pronated position. Slightly dorsiflex the wrist joint so that the brachioradialis muscle become taut or straight. Now tap on the brachioradialis tendon 2 inch above the wrist joint or over on the styloid process of the radius by single sharp swinging movement. Okay. single sharp swinging movement of this patellar hammer. What is the response? Ask the subject to relax. Tap 2 inch above the wrist joint. What is response? Response is contraction of brachioradialis muscle followed by supination of forearm followed by flexion of elbow joint. Okay. Now, this brachioradialis muscle was known as supinator longus. So, this jerk is also known as supinator jerk. Brachioradialis jerk or the supinator jerk. This jerk is absent in case of lower motor neuron, exaggerated in upper motor neuron. You have to elicit and observe the result bilaterally. Please sit here. Mr. Lothi, please sit here. Now, hold this in supine position. Okay. In supine position, hold this like this. Semi-pronated position. In between the flexion, in between the pronation and supination. And you have to tap here 2 inch above the wrist joint. Now the brachioradialis tendon is taut. Give a single sudden subdural. See the result? Contraction and flexion. Now on this side. Hold this. Semi-pronated position. Okay. Now tap 2 inch above the wrist joint. Okay. See contraction and flexion and the supination response. This is the brachioradialis or the supinator jerk in sitting position. Okay, please sit here. Now, I am going to discuss about tricep jerk, tendon jerk. What is the root value? The indicating center of the spinal cord is C6 and C7, cervical spinal segment 6 and 7. Now, afferent and efferent nerve, radial nerve, okay? You have to, this jerk also can be elicited in sitting position or in supine position. In sitting position. Stand on the right side of the subject. Ask the subject to relax completely. Expose the tricep muscle. You have to tap 2 inch above the elbow joint or just above the olecranon process on the tricep tendon, not to the belly of the tricep muscle. Okay. By a single sudden sharp movement, by swinging of your wrist. Okay. Swinging of your wrist. Tap tricep tendon. What is the result? Result is contraction. Result is contraction of tricep followed by extension. Okay, followed by extension of the elbow joint. Now elicit reflex bilaterally. Okay. This reflex also absent in lower motor neuron lesion and increase or risk in upper motor neuron lesion. Okay, please see here. In sitting position, okay, subject is in sitting position. Ask the subject to relax completely. Now hold like this, relax, হাতটা ছেড়ে দাও একদম, hold like this, একদম ছেড়ে দাও, no, feel the tricep tendon, feel the tricep tendon, okay, you have to give a tap here, okay, see contraction of the tricep and extension of the elbow joint. Now do it on the other side, do it on the other side, feel, relax, হাতটা ছেড়ে দাও, আমার হাতের উপর হাতটা ছেড়ে দাও, একদম relax, feel the tricep tendon, give a sharp tap, contraction of tricep followed by extension. Sit, sit. Now this also can be tested like this, like this. Elbow should be flexed at 90 degree. Elbow should be flexed at 90 degree. The forearm rest on the forearm of the examiner. Okay, feel the tricep tendon and tap here. Okay, sit, extension, sit. Okay, now on this side, hold it like this and give a sharp tap here. Sit, 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 sit. Okay, this is the examination of tricep jack in the supine position. Now the jaw jack. Jaw jack, রুমালটা খোলো তো, jaw jack, jaw jack, afferent and efferent nerve is, afferent and efferent nerve is mandibular division of trigeminal nerve and integrated center is the pons. Okay, okay, place your thumb firmly on the chin and ask the subject to open his mouth. হালকা করে মুখটা খোলো তো, মুখটা খোলো, হ্যাঁ, and tap here, tap here. Normally, okay.